Good morning, students. Today's class is the continuation of chapter 7 virus. In today's class, we will learn different effects of computer virus and we will compare how this computer virus is affecting in different operating systems. And at the end, we will learn what is antivirus software. So first topic is effects of computer virus. Computer virus can slow down your computer performance and become inefficient or run slowly. Suppose if virus is filled in your computer, automatically computer ka memory fill hoga. That means computer becomes slow. Then next, it tends to fill up the computer with the useless data. Of course, computer virus is not a useful data. So automatically memory will fill up with the useless data. Next, virus can corrupt the system files. So it will corrupt the system files. Then virus can also wipe out boot sector, creating problem when you boot into the Windows, which contains system information. So I think you are remembering which viruses affect the boot sector. Boot sector को ही affect करते, खराब करते, boot sector virus. Then it can make changes in the data of the program or files and cause erratic result. Some programming code को, some portions को change करते हैं, like logic bomb, isn't it? It changes programs codes. It might steal important information from your computer and send the same to other person. I'm quite sure that you must be remembering which virus it is doing, stealing important information, Trojan horse, है ना? So अपने important information को steal करते हैं. It might reset or reboot a computer by sending the required codes. Then it might format the disk by sending the formatting command to the system and thereby causing to lose everything on the disk. Computer virus आता है तो कभी कभी disk पूरा format होता है, तो important information भी lost होता है. Computer gets restarted frequently by itself. That means virus is there if it frequently restart by itself. If virus deletes the enter keyboard definition, computer would not be able to respond to any keyboard input. Even though keyboard it is connected, but if you are typing, but computer will not respond to any keyboard input. That means virus is there. Virus might scramble the file allocation table, which contain the information for the operating system. Any mishappening to file allocation table will cause data to be irrecoverably lost. So we cannot recover that type of data also if it destroy the file allocation table. I think it is clear. Next, the vulnerability of operating system to virus. Now we are comparing different operating system, how it is affecting by the virus. There are many operating systems in the market such as Mac, Windows, Linux, Unix, DOS, etc., which are being used by billions of professionals and personal users. Before selecting any operating system, there is always a question, which operating system is sufficient enough to prevent virus? So of course, if that operating system is sufficient to prevent the virus, then normally we will select that operating system, isn't it? So viruses are not, but you have to be very careful that viruses are not restricted to DOS or Windows. It can affect any operating system software. A virus has the capability of infecting any type of computer irrespective of the operating system it runs. It can affect any computer. Why? Because these virus writers are like other software developers in their desire to develop for the biggest market. It depends on the user how long he or she can keep it off of viruses. So virus developers be itna smart hai. So they used to develop the virus which destroy all the program files. Even though it is run in any operating system, it will destroy. So main thing we have to be careful is that how can we prevent this virus attack? उसके बारे में सोचना है. Okay, let's see. Let's compare with the different operating system. First one, DOS versus Linux. Which one is good, DOS or Linux? इन दोनों में compare करेंगे तो which one is good? An operating system Linux work much better than DOS. Even though both the operating system affect the virus, but still Linux को जो है कम affect करते हैं. So Linux, we can say that Linux is better than DOS. In terms of performance, Linux is more reliable than any other operating system, even Windows. It easily lowers the number of virus. Virus affect करने का chance कम है. So Linux is better compared to DOS. The next, Windows versus Unix. Which one is good? Windows है कि Unix है? Common belief is that Unix as an operating system is safer option than using Windows. ऐसे ही बोलते हैं Unix is better than Windows. However, it is true that Unix has something different to offer to its users, and many of Windows users have experienced this while operating Windows. But after the recent innovation, they may change their opinion. As a comments and commonly we used to say that Unix is better, but Windows is not bad. Windows is also have good feature. That means both equally important है ना, equally restrict virus के लिए equal same category है दोनों. Next one is Linux and Mac. Linux and Mac operating system are less vulnerable to virus attack, as these two systems need advantaged access to install and run any kind of viruses. So they are less, we cannot attack, this virus cannot attack easily to this operating system. Linux may be, Mac may be. Linux can be installed in supercomputers to embedded processors, and the Windows is the most recommended operating system for desktop. People across the world are being able to use it without any major support to minimize the attack of any malware, especially when it is compared with Windows. So Linux and Mac both are equally same. Okay, next topic is protection from virus. So now we already learned that virus can attack any operating system. कोई भी operating system को attack करते हैं. So our next goal is we have to protect our system from virus. Now how can we protect our system from virus? We all are interested in securing our belongings such as office, home, locality and even country also, है ना? Our belonging हमारे लिए important है. So we used to protect our belonging. So we use different mechanism to ensure the security, such as we keep our valuables safely locked in a cupboard. अगर valuables important, valuables को क्या करते हैं, कबर्ड में लॉक करके रखते हैं सेफ्टी के लिए. To keep the doors of our houses even locked, we keep the guards to keep secure the localities and police security within the city and armed forces for the country also. country का security के लिए क्या करते हैं, armed forces है, locality के लिए police है, हमारे घर के लिए guards रखते हैं, या तो फिर lock, we used to keep our door closed है ना, locked. So everywhere we are very well aware about our security. It is always advisable to follow the dictum, prevention is better than cure. Isn't it? So prevention हमेशा better है, cure बीमारी आपके बचाने से better है कि आने से ही पहले उसका बचाव करे. Moreover, since the viruses are made faster than the vaccines, it is good practice to follow some simple precautionary measures which can reduce the possibility of virus attack. So virus के केस में भी सेम है, वायरस आने के बाद सही करने से बेटर है कि वायरस आने के पहले ही उसको बचाए. So which are the safety measures to be used to protect the virus? That let us see. First one, use updated antivirus software program. Antivirus रखना भी है, वो भी updated version को. Do not copy pirated software on our computer. Use legal software from reliable sources only. So we are not using pirated software, we are using legal only. But the legal should also purchase from the reliable sources. Otherwise pirate होने के chances है. Do not download suspicious shareware programs. Maybe a Trojan horse virus can come into our computer. Use secure operating system. Avoid letting the system to be used by unauthorized users. Don't give to unauthorized users. They may put virus in our computer. Allow you to schedule scan to automatically runs for you. Even if you are using antivirus, उसको automatically scan करते रहना. Scan the computer using virus scanner while booting up the system also. Avoid loading games because they pass freeware. Freely virus आएगा. So games को avoid करना. Proper backup of all data and program files should be kept. and remove suspicious and unnecessary files. Even though antivirus is there, but still एक backup रखना, so that by chance it virus attack our system and main file को destroy करेंगे, तो we can use that backup. Then make the system files read-only. Why we have to make the system file read-only? Because already we learned in the previous class, read-only files को computer virus attack नहीं करते. Use vaccines and immunization programs to immunize computer against virus infection. Immunize program means antivirus program use करना. Always protect your password. Then keep Windows updated. Updated versions use करने, हमेशा update करते रहना. Use canned USB. So virus entry करने का chance less है. Then next, use of popular antivirus software. Next topic. Antivirus, you know what is antivirus? Antivirus software is a program which is designed to search, detect, prevent and remove software viruses and other malicious software like a Trojan, worms, etc. So antivirus क्या करते हैं? Detect करते हैं, prevent करते हैं और remove करते हैं virus को. So that's why antivirus software is very important. If the computer system gets infected despite all possible efforts, then in such cases, virus vaccines assist you to come out of such difficulties. So already if it is virus affected, but still we can use antivirus software to cure that virus. The viruses are not omnipotent. Antivirus program helps you to cure viruses. They perform one or more of the following functions. So, virus se डरने की जरूरत नहीं. They are not omnipotent. They cannot control our system. We can use antivirus to control virus. So, how a virus will help? It helps in prevention, detection, vaccination, inoculation, and damage control also. So, there are so many antiviruses are available in that market. One can choose any one of them on the basis of their characteristic. So, which are the different antivirus programs? So, based on their characteristics, you can choose any one of them. Norton antivirus है, McAfee है, Capsule की है, Brute है, Symantec है, AVG है, Microsoft Security Essential, Quick Heal, eScan. So many antivirus softwares are there. So, always use many good antivirus software to protect our system from virus. By this, our topic virus finished. This chapter finished. So students, please remember to practice. If any doubt, you can ask in our live class. Thank you, students.